can put in these beads. Look, we got all of this. Oh, James, look! Whoa, it's like no slime. It's like so jiggly, wiggly. Oh, well. Wait, now what do we do? Wait, whoa. Whoa, this is so cool. We got green. Here comes green. Stop. It's so jiggly and wiggly. Here comes pink soon. Pink's joining. And whoa. Ready? Let's lift this up. And did you give me something that did? Yeah, James, we can play with these together. Come on, James. James, let's play.
Look at all the beads that fell out.
Oh my God. I get orange.
All the beads fell
Yeah,
out.
I get orange. No, you can play. Get out, pink.
Everything's for both of you guys to play with.
Yeah. And what's for me? And did you give me blue one? They're the old ones. We can both play with these. I want the blue one. I want the blue one. Here, I want the blue one. I want the blue one. Here. Let's play. Here comes beads. And this. And this here. Can you put beads in there? Okay. Let's do this. Here comes some more beads in that. Now mix it together like this. What are these things? What are these things? I don't know what put this inside. It's so fun. What's inside it? What's inside these? What's inside the slime? Beads. James, do you want to mix the slime up? No. You sure? No. Okay. I'm thinking what a bead mess. Now this is what it looks like with beads. What color would it turn up? Oh, you want to put it all together? Now how do we put them inside their slime? Yeah, come on, let's go. Ready? Let's put it in. Come on, James. No. Okay, James. Oh my God, it's turning into one big rainbow. It's a rainbow. We just need blue. Look, James, it's rainbow. You forgot orange. Oh, here's some more orange. Come on, James. Look, it's a rainbow. Now I want to play my own slime. I don't want to play with that slime. No, James, this is all of our slime. I want to play with my slime. Look. I made a cake. Okay, I made a cloud. Here, I made the cloud. Nice. Let's pop this now. Then look what I made. James, look. Look, it's the slapper. Look, it's the slapper. Got some pink, some beads. Boop, 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 boop. It turned into a rainbow. Then look what I did to mine. Look what I did to mine. Are you standing? Sit back down. James, sit back down. Sit back down. Come sit back down, James. I want to hear my slime. Come on. Oh. James, I think it's... Look, James, you turned into a rainbow. You have to mix it together. I don't want to mix it together and mine. But if we... Oh, my God. It's so stretchy. Ooh. Turn into a rainbow. Look at mine. Look, mine's going to turn into. When we're sleepy, this is going to turn into slapper. And then when this piece is going to turn into us. Look, the slime. It's in. What's inside this? I don't know how far. Gummies. Come on. Among Us character! It's Among Us! Popets! It's Among Us character. That was mine. It's Among Us. That was mine. Puppet.
That is yours.
Yeah.
This one. That's yours.
Okay. That changed into blue. Oh my god. Now put it in the shade, James.
Now let's go back into the table.
And it's this here. And now it turned into purple. It turned into blue. It's still blue and white. Okay, going back to my seats. Boing. And you want to try yours? So yours may go. Okay, let's just check this out for a minute. That guy tried mine outside. Wait. That guy tried mine outside. Let's see if mine goes. Come on. Okay, so I got this. Whoa. Let's check. I'm checking it out. Okay, this slime off. Let's go outside and see. Come on. Here, check. Mine over. Oh my god. The blue's adding it. James, look! The blue made it for it. The blue made slime. James, look. James, look. You still have some. Right here. But I don't want to play these. Here, you want to play with this? No, a lot of pieces. Here, James, look. Look, James, we can play with this together. I have a bigger piece for both of us. Now I got this one. I want a big one like you. Here. I want a big one. There, you got slime. Now watch me. Watch me play with it like a... Be a cat. Slime? I think we might have to end this video now. Bye. Bye. Are you going? This was made to mix up. That thing, go and try mine. Get a big mix and turn it into a rainbow. Hey, let's try mine. Huh? It turned back in. It turned into all of the beads in. It turned back into way over here, way over here. Bead right. Yay! Bead, beads. Beads, go! My hand's stuck. Let's put that there. Where's a bear? Hello? Bear friends. Oh, it's my cat. It's next to my cat food. I have to screw this lid back on. Put this in. What? Okay. What? This slime was so. Then you like dip it's like cut my slime. You took my slime? No, look. This is what it looks like to get. Where's my slime? You took my slime. James, wait. James, you know? Now I make my bigger slime. And squishy, and this is cold makeup. Baby, do you want some makeup? No. It's cold. Oh, iPad. I saw it. It goes on yours. Oh, I shield for you. How will we make a lid? Poppet. Let's just okay. I have a different Poppet. Pop back up. Let's just pop. How would I make a cloud Poppet? Look, a cloud Poppet. Look, a cloud Poppet. Pop up. Look, it's a cloud Poppet. Look at mine. Look at my Poppet. Look, it looks the same. Look, it looks the same. Look, it looks the same. No, look, it looks like the same. Like that. Look, it looks like the same. That, what does it look like? Puppet. Oh, what's this? It's a icy and a orange one. Take pink one. I will turn mine. Look, now watch mine. Hey, where's my blue one? And mine's only purple. Mine's only purple. Well, I don't know what happened. Don't ask me. It turned into purple. Give me all of the beads. I need all of the beads. All of the beads. I need beads to wear mine. Why is it broken? What is the squishy? These beads are broken. Oh, yay! I made. Peel this off. Boop. Look what I made. Boop. Look what I made. All of this beads in again. Then I'm putting the mommy. Let me take this out. Then watch it stick to the table. Then watch me put on the rod. Then what's it doing? Then what's it doing?
It looks like it's sliding down the wall very slowly.
What is it doing? That's cleaning it. What do these things do? Can I try this? Can I try it? So what's